got it.
What is that? What happened? Are you doing your sticker?
Yeah.
Thank you for subscribing. What is that, Jelana? What you got? Whoa. That's her sticker, guys. Do you like your sticker?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, wow.
Look at this.
Let me see what dress she had now. Oh, wow. That's a cute dress.
Cute.
Oh, she got a shoes too?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
Already.
Yeah. Oh, you can take it out? That's magic. Oh. Who's pretty girl?
You and me.
Ah, you're so nice.
Daddy, hold on, hit it.
No.
Yes.
Nope.
Oh, Daddy, home.
Daddy home? Daddy home, sabi niya. Yan yung nilalaro niya. Ayan siya. Yun ang maganda kay Jelana. Pwede siya maglaro mag-isa. Ilalaro niya, di ba guys? Yun.
Daddy, home.
Oh, good job.
Daddy, home. I do my part.
Yeah. No, you need to play first.
I want to play this place.
Okay, play that first. Naglalaro. Nayos na pala dito.
Pinayos ko nga ron.
Mm.
Too bad. Too sad.
Too bad, so sad.
Yeah.
Grandma, clean up your toys.
Oh, Daddy Nina.
Naglalaro naman kasi siya, nagagamit niya yung mga laruan eh.
Mama, take pain.
Kaso nainis na yung tatay niya.
Eh,
Daddy home.
Daddy home?
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Where did he go? In a meeting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sagutin.
Maayos naman yun.
Maayos na naman. Marami pa dyan. Marami pa dito ni.
Marami pa dyan. Jelana, you got lots of toys.
I take that paper too.
Oh, you sent to the Philippines?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow. Good job.
Baga na kani daddy na nga isin lang yung Philippines.
Okay, we'll send it to the Philippines then.
I did?
Uh,
I did?
is that okay?
No, I did?
Yeah.
No.
Grandma already put in the box.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Hindi na yung malalaki ang
Buy more toy, please.
Huh?
Buy more toy.
After we send it to the Philippines, we'll buy more toys.
I already do that.
Yeah, I know. Grandma has to send it to the Philippines first.
Daddy do that.
Oh, Daddy will send it, your toy, to the
Yeah,
Philippines?
I do that.
Okay.
I do that.
Yeah.
Hey, choose.
Ate Dong si...
Auntie Dawn.
Jelana, tell you're doing YouTube. Send more money. Yeah, padala daw niya yung mga laruan niya sa Philippines. Kaya yun. Diyos ko.
Where's Jay?
Here, Mom. Where
May mumuna naman dyan.